Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinkies. So yeah, today's video is a makeup tutorial, and yeah, I thought why not, I'm getting ready today. I'm going to make lots of videos, and also I'm going to film another video. I don't know whether that video will go up first or this one. I've got no idea, but like it's a Shein haul, so I'm going to do a try on haul maybe, or I'm going to post a video here anyway, a whole video. So if you are interested, you can just follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Links will be below in the description box, so you can like see more videos out there. So like I mostly do outfit of the day on TikTok and also Instagram. So do follow me there. And literally I was getting ready today, so I thought why not, I should just like film this makeup tutorial and show you all like how I do it. Literally this makeup look will look good in any outfit and like in any occasion too. So you can just change the lip shade. I will prefer wearing a nude lipstick, but today I'm wearing this lipstick because I like it. Like I'm staying home today, so yeah, why not. I was going to make like lots of videos today, so that's why I'm just wearing this. And literally I love this look, like it's so pretty. This eye makeup will rock any lip color. Okay, the festive season is around the corner, so that's why I thought why not, I should definitely create this look. So this will look on Christmas, New Year's Eve, and also like Diwali, which is just around the corner. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. of these three by Model Rock, as you can see. I think this one looks cool. It's orange red. And this one, I think I'm gonna go for this one. This one is rock chick. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. You can ignore dark lips. If you don't like it, you can just wear like nude lips or any other color of your choice, because this eye makeup will go well with I think all colors of lipstick, like light shades and dark shades too. How is it like? I literally like it, and like it's really pretty. I literally love the end result. Like every time I do a makeup, the end result is awesome. So I hope you like it too. So I am in a mood of filming videos today, so I thought why not I just show you all how I get ready, because most of you always message me to do makeup tutorials, and yeah, so I thought why not I should do a tutorial today. So it's a festive season, and that's why. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like it. You all take care. Thanks so much for watching. Follow me on TikTok. I'm going to like post lots of videos there too. So yeah, stay safe. Bye.